Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be giving you guys my Christmas decor. I'm so excited to show you guys because I love Christmas and I love to decorate for Christmas. So I'm super excited to show you guys what I decorated and how I decorate. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And yeah, if you guys are excited to see my Christmas decor, then definitely keep on watching. Okay love, so we're gonna first start off in the entryway. So this is where you walk in. You guys can see me, hello. So you guys walk in and then you see this table right here. I got this table at Wayfair.com. I love Wayfair. I think they are so good and so inexpensive for furniture, so definitely check them out. And this is basically what I did to my table. I did it really simple. I didn't want to put too much on this table, so I just kept it very, very simple. I created this with my aunt and it just came out so beautiful, so I absolutely had to display it again this year. I love it. And then I also did this. It was a DIY. We did it ourselves and it came out very, very nice. I love it. And then we also did this one over here. It was such a good idea. It was just so beautiful and so easy to do. So I definitely recommend doing DIYs because they're so inexpensive and they come out very cute. So I love it. And yeah, that's basically it. Those little lighting lanterns, I think they're called. I got those at Family Dollar and they were only $5 and I thought it was so cute. It went with the table, so I just left it there for now. And then that I got at home with all the flowers and all. So this is basically my entryway, and then you guys can see up the stairs I have the staircase, and I basically decorated it with garland, and then these leaves right here I got at Michael's. And yeah, I just basically did it very, very simple, not too much going on stair rails, no. On both stairs, that's basically how it looks. It's very, very simple, very easy. And then I added these little things right here with a little bit of snow all the way up the stairs. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look how it looks. It's very simple, very easy. I didn't want to do too much this year. I wanted to keep it very simple. And yeah, that's basically what I did. So let's move on. Okay, so loves, moving on to the tree. So this is how my tree looks this year. I did it very, very simple. I wanted more like a snow kind of tree. And this is what I came up with. And mostly everything on the tree is from Walmart or at home or Michael's. Those are the three spots that I usually always go to. And then the tree skirt I did get from Amazon. I wouldn't say or recommend it. It does not look nothing like the pictures on Amazon, and I just kept it because it was really cheap, and I just added a little house right there because I'm telling you guys, this tree skirt is not my favorite, but I'm just gonna go with it for now. And so yeah, this is basically how my tree looks so far. I don't think I'm gonna add anything else to it but the gifts that are gonna be given for Christmas. And yeah, that is basically how my Christmas tree came out this year. I'm definitely gonna be changing it up next year because I want a more fluffier tree. This tree has a lot of gaps in between, and that's the only negative about this tree. But it's been with me for 2 years, almost 3, so I cannot complain. But yeah, that is basically the tree. And yeah, let's move on. Okay, so here we go to the dining room. Here we have my dining table, and I kept it simple. I just put the flowers in a vase and then the little pine cones and all these other stuff. I kept it very, very nice and simple. I like it that way. To me, I just feel like it's just beautiful just the way it is. And then we have over here our serving I think this is called a server. And I just decorated very simple again with the little wine bottles, and we decorated that like 2 years ago, and I'm still using them. They're still going hard and they're beautiful. I love them. And then these little churches I did get at Dollar Tree. They're very pretty, very simple, and I just wanted to add that there just to give it a little decor. And yeah, that's basically all I did for that. Now let's move on to the kitchen. Okay, so here we are at the kitchen. I did show this a little bit in my vlog. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. But I did add a few little things here and there to my little centerpiece here. So I just added this little decor with the reindeer. I got this reindeer about 2 years ago. It's still going hard. It's still looking cute. And yeah, that's basically all I did. This I did get at Ross, and then all these other little things I got at Dollar Tree and Michael's. So it's very simple, very inexpensive, and I wanted to keep my little centerpiece island very, very simple. I didn't want to add too much stuff to it. And yeah, that is basically it. That is all my Christmas decor. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, loves.